In order to install SQL Server, navigate to the URL detailed below, click Download Now, and then click Save when prompted. Once downloaded, navigate to where you saved the installer, and we can begin installation of SQL Server. Double-click on the installer to get started, and then click on Custom Install. Select a location to store the Download SQL install files, and click Install. The installer will now begin to download the required installation files. This can take some time, but the progress will be shown in the dialog window. In order to assist you, we've cut these lengthy install sequences from this video. Select Installation and New SQL Server Standalone Installation. Click Next. The installer will now run some pre-installation checks. If the checks pass, click Next. Accept the terms by clicking the checkbox and click Next. Select the features we wish to install. The default selections are sufficient, so click Next. Select the named instance and click Next. Manage the services as needed. Again, the default settings are sufficient for most installations. Set up the user for the server. Ensure that mixed mode is selected, and enter a password for the SA user. Accept terms to install Microsoft R Open, and in the next window, also accept terms to install Python. We have again cut the following install sequence to make this video shorter. Once the installation is complete, you can click on Close and then exit the SQL Server Installation Center. SQL Server is now installed on your system.